There he is. Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to another day in the beautiful tropics of Bali. Today's gonna be a water sports adventure day. I'm gonna be featuring Bali Natural Tours, which is one of the best tour companies in all of Bali. Right now I got Gusti with me here.
Yeah, I'm Gusti from Bali Natural Tours. So the first we will go to water sport.
Okay.
Parasailing adventure and donut. Yes.
Donuts?
Yeah, donut.
I love donuts. I love donuts.
After the water sport, we have to go to Uluwatu Temple.
Okay.
Padang Beach.
Alright.
And the last, we go to Jimbaran Bay.
You saw I was at Jimbaran last week. Jimbaran's an absolutely beautiful place to end, let's say, a tour day, to have dinner, have a great sunset. I'm super stoked for today. I get to do parasailing today. I've never done a donut. I love donuts. I don't know what a donut is. But yeah, it'll be fun. It'll be a water sports adventure day, ending with some beach relaxation. We are going to be heading to Nusa Dua.
Nusa Dua or Tanjung Benua. Yeah.
Yep, Nusa Dua, not Nusa Don't.
I try so hard to fade.
Alright, first stop, we made it. Let's go. Oh. Sorry. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So where are we at?
Now we are in Bali Bintang water sport.
Bali Bintang Water Sports, alright. Nusa Dua.
Yeah.
Good morning, Jin. Chris, nice to meet you. Yep.
Parasailing adventure, it is like possible to do it 2 or 3 people together.
Okay.
Right, it's very safe.
See, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Parasailing adventure we go. Nusa Dua is just filled with water sports. Yeah, if you're looking to come to Nusa Dua, you could definitely find an easy water sport activity all around here. They're everywhere. Oh, the water feels amazing. So this one's ours?
Yeah, we go ready to go.
Okay, awesome.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Adventure. Oh my god, that was so much fun. It was such an adrenaline rush. You could just see the crystal clear water. It's super beautiful up there parasailing. Waters are beautiful. It's a beautiful day to do this. We're about to hit the donut, so that's gonna be fun.
The donut foot now.
Donut? Okay.
You're gonna be like screaming, ah!
Oh gee, it's gonna wake me up, I feel like. It's gonna, oh, he laughs. Oh gosh. You ready for this? Are you scared?
No.
You're not scared of this, but you're scared. Okay. I have a feeling this is really gonna wake me up. This is definitely waking me up. Oh! Oh shit! We're like hitting the waves head on. Woo! He's speeding up now. Woo! All right, we got calmer water. Come on!
How do you feel that one?
That was amazing. I drank like a lot of the ocean, but it tastes great.
All right.
The waves will come hit you. You're trying not to like fly off the donut. So I know why it's called donuts. I feel like it goes in a donut, and you're just trying to hold on to dear lives. But that definitely woke me up. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Bye. Bye.
See you next time.
Hey,
Yeah,
I appreciate it, man. I'll catch you around. Thank you so much. All right, so we're a little hungry. We're gonna go to Padang Beach. We're gonna get some food and hit up Padang Beach.
Padang.
Padang.
We ended up grabbing some acai bowls and made it to the entrance of Padang Beach.
Here we go, here's the ticket booth. So it's 10,000 for an adult. That's equivalent to about 85 cents, 90 cents to get into Padang Beach. All right, heading down the stairs. Again, 50 steps, you're down to the beach. Ah, and then a little monkey greets you. 2 monkeys. To the beach, right to this crevice. See a light at the end of the tunnel. There's some more monkeys over there. Oh my god, the babies like cling down to the mommy. All right, so you're greeted by shops, you're greeted by the restaurants. Here's Padang Padang Beach right here. Ah, no sunglasses, I got them on my head right now. Ah, I'm good. You can go get sarongs here. But yeah, here's Padang Padang Beach. So there's a lot of limestone jagged rocks surrounding here. It's just like a little pristine beach out here. A lot of surfers are out here too. Pretty good surf spot out in Padang Padang Beach. So there are some more stairs over there. I think it leads to the road upstairs. Yeah, leads to the road, confirmed. Woo! I saw Gusty run and I was like, I gotta run too. If you see one person run, you run too. Don't be the last guy though. So it looks like high tide is kicking in. Kinda. But we're gonna get the drone up. Let's get a quick little drone flight here, see what that looks like at Padang Padang Beach. Tide is getting a little bit higher. As you see, there's a lot of like food stalls here. Everyone's just relaxing on the beach. Just a really mellow surf little beach in Padang Padang. So you see from the drone shots, it's a pretty tiny beach, but still a good little beach to hang out at. All right, 50 steps back up.
Here we headed to Uluwatu Temple, which is one of the most famous cliffside temples in all of Bali. It's absolutely beautiful.
That's a big one, that's a big one. Get ready to protect yourself from monkeys. Gotta throw on one of these sarongs. Just because it's a temple, it covers you up, the guys and the girls. As you see, people are wearing them right over there. So entrance for Uluwatu is 30,000 Indonesian rupees. It's just under $3. So as you see, a lot of the entrances to these tours are 1 to like 4 or 5 USD dollars. Not too bad. So, and then look up. Let's go.
In Uluwatu Temple, we have a lot of monkey.
Yeah.
In Uluwatu Temple. So please open your hand. Don't do your hand like this.
Okay.
If you do like this, the monkey thinking you're holding some food.
Okay.
Also, don't put your hand in the pocket.
Okay.
Also, they think you will bring some food.
Okay.
Don't touch the monkey.
Okay.
Don't look in the eyes.
Okay. Don't look in their eyes?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds
If
good.
you look in the eyes, they will be angry. They will be angry. Are you ready?
Let's
You
go. Okay.
Yeah.
Protect me, Gusty.
Yeah.
Protect me.
I followed my trusty leader, saw some monkeys but gained zero eye contact, and was able to enjoy one of the most spectacular temple views in all of Bali, right on the edge of a cliff. Following Uluwatu, we ended the day at one of my favorite sunset dinners in all of Bali, right on Jimbaran Beach.
Alright guys, this is the last day in this beautiful villa. Tomorrow I'm going to an amazing spot out in Ubud. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, the vlog that I brought to you yesterday with Bali Natural Tours. It was an awesome adventure day, ending with my favorite sunset dinner out in Jimbaran Beach. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Comment down below. If you guys have any questions, throw down a comment. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And if you haven't yet, hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for the next vlogs coming up. Tomorrow's vlog will be out in Ubud with a 5-star resort. I'm super excited to be at this resort for the next 3-4 days and vlogging out in Ubud. So be on the lookout for the next vlog coming out in the next couple days. And thank you guys so much for watching. All right, time to enjoy the pool. See you guys.